freak out of the pack first. Shadow is acting outstanding stuff. Shadow executes a beautiful jump onto the next player. What a trick combination! Shadow performs a nice trick. He's hot stuff! Look at those sparks! IAD has done a great job taking advantage of the wind. Shadow